Good morning, Alexandra here. Let me ask you a question. Did you just get started with my econ, but I have no idea exactly what you need to do, but you can need to get things rolling and start making this money, or you want to exactly know what the business is about, what the product is about, and exactly how to present it to other people? This video will be the exact blueprint for you to know exactly what you need to do. So I'll be going with you step by step to show you exactly what you need to do and what need to be done, especially the first 72 hours of you joining the business. Okay, let's get started. I'll be sharing my screen and to show you exactly what you need to do. The first thing that need to be done, go to your email, the email that they sent you to tell you exactly what your username will be. Usually it will be like http, the username you choose, that myecon.net, that join now. Use that email, and once you do, the page will look like this, and you will click on login. Once you log in, that's how you will access your back office. Your back office is where everything is located for you to build a business, like where the training is, where your report is, and everything. So when you join in, you say my account associate. Since you're not a preferred customer, you'll be choosing the my account associate. Like you put your username that you chose, your password, and you'll be logging in right away. All right. Once you log in, your back office will look like this. It will show you everything that you are registered in. It will say income shifting membership. That's everything you have access to. You have access to a smart repair kit to help you learn how to repair your credit on your own. Once you become an associate, this package you get it for free. But if you didn't become an associate, you were just a customer, you would have to pay $99 for that package. So you in luck, you'll get access to it for free. You have access as well to the cash flow manager. That's where you'll be recording your income and expenses, so you can have like everything in order at the end of the year to do your taxes. Because once you are in business, there's a lot of write-off that you can claim, so you can get a bigger refund, or if you get audited, just in case, and they ask you for proof of everything that you done, that you reported. That's where you'll go and pull up your reports and give it to the IRS. You get access to the legal club. If you need that help with an attorney, that's where you'll be going. And you also have access like to the discount travel. Let's say you want to book a trip or cruises. That's why we have discounted travel packages that you can get access for. And the best one is the cashback mall. That's why you can go to your favorite stores, and when you shop something online, you can get cashback. And also, if you know some people that like shopping online, you have a direct link. Once you register for the cashback mall, you can give them your link. Once they go online, they purchase anything, you get some money back from whatever they purchase as well. But the main thing that we need to do is go to your account and get those things started. Number one, you need to upload your documents so you can get your direct deposit set up to start, so you can get paid every single Friday with us. So everything is already here. Your profile, you update your profile, get put your address, your name, your phone number, everything that need to be done. And your website, that's when you're gonna set your website. There's settings, change your password, upload your photo, and that's where the main thing comes from, direct deposit. That's why you're gonna upload and fill out the document that they're gonna request so you can get paid. If you don't, this is very crucial. If you don't get this done, whenever you make a sale or refer someone to the company, you will not get paid because they have nowhere to send your deposit. So you go on My Commission, direct deposit. It's pretty self-explanatory. You just have to follow what they say. See direct deposit, it will ask you to verify your identity. So what you need to do, you need to update your ID so they can make sure that it is you. And the ID cannot be expired. It has to be a clear picture or if you can take a picture of it from your phone and upload that picture as well. Make sure it's a clear photo that show your actual name. Don't use any nickname. The same way it show on your ID and social security number, that's what it has to show, so to verify your identity. Once you upload the picture, give them like a couple hours to 48 hours to get everything set up. And also they will need your bank account information. Is not I know some people are kind of worried, why do you need my account information? This is to make sure you get paid the right way, and you fill out your bank account name, your what kind of account it is, put your account number, routing number, and they will also want to know that it's actually your account, so they will need you to upload a voided check that contain your actual name, that contain your name, your address, and everything about you, so they can know it's you. If you have those accounts, like let's say on your account that part with your name is not there yet, what you can do, take a picture of the first page of your bank statement that shows your name, routing number, account number, that paper, or the direct deposit form, and upload that paper, like you just to verify that it's actually your account and that the money is going to the right person. Alright, once you do that, you should be fine, and then you go back. Then you're going to click on BMC Home. It's called Business Manager Home. That's where everything will be uploaded, and that's to go on your training. And before I continue, there's one more thing that you need to do. And let's say you actually know who your sponsor is, just get in contact with your sponsor. Make sure that they add you to the group, whatever group that they created for them. Let's say if you're in my team, it will be team takeover. So make sure you get in contact with me so I can add you in the group, but you have to be under me. So if you already in my econ but you're not with me, you cannot be added to the group. But if you actually know who your sponsor is, get in contact with them and make sure they add you to the group, to the chat, so you can get access to all of us, like to the training. If you have any questions, so you can ask your questions, so your question can be answered right away. And if you don't know who your sponsor is, feel free to message me. I don't mind. If you have a question that you feel stuck or something, I'll be glad to help you out. I don't have a problem. But not to add you in the group, they won't let me do that. I'm so sorry. So now let's get back to this. Once you get to the Business Manager Center, you will need all the things that are green. You need to go to those first. The quick orientation, that's where your training start. You will need to go there firsthand and complete those training one by one. It will show you exactly what you need to tell you, how to build a business, exactly what it is, how to fill everything out. Let's say you go talking to someone and you don't know exactly what to say. I'm so sorry. This is the part where I will show you exactly what needs to be done. As you can see, it shows like the overview. Get an overview of the business, your tax holding, tax record, cash flow strategist, and flow cash manager, prospect list, business overview, and script, close the deal. All those trainings are there to help you. Let me kind of zoom in a little bigger so you can have an idea what I mean. Make sure you complete all these trainings so you can have an idea what your business is and what product that we offer and exactly how they work. And once you're done with everything, you need to go back to the same Business Manager Center. And there's 2 apps that you need to download that will give you easier access to your back office anytime, so you don't have to go to your computer every single time when you're looking for something. You need to download those mobile apps. The app is called Myecon. It's an Myecon mobile app. Once you download this app, that's where you can get access to everything easier. You can get access to everything easier, so you don't have to keep going back and forth to your computer. Everything that's in the back office in your computer will be in that app once you download it. It's called Myecon mobile app. It's for App Store or Android, whichever. And you also need to download the cash flow manager. That's the app that I tell you that you need to record your expenses, your income, to track your receipt. Let's say you need to track, like, mileage and everything. So that's where you'll be logging all your stuff for your business. All right. And one more thing, and if you're in my team and you will sign up under me, there's a system that we're using. That's how, like, it's a high converting funnel. If you don't know what funnel is, it's like a set of website that's together that take the lead or the person that's asking you for information through. And there's an actual system that we use and to help us, like, get leads and sales. And it's already set up. You will need that, to get with me, or there's a way we set it up on the website. You have to get this system as well. It's a copy of it, like, it's a 30-day trial to get the system. And the system is only, like, depend on if you want to sell. We sell the system is $50 a month, but if you just want the tool and the website is only $30 a month to get started. But there's a 30-day trial, and what that do is a website that help you build, like, website capture pages, lead funnel, and there's a lot of stuff that you can do with that system. I will do another video to explain that system one by one. But that's this. If you sign up with me, that's the system you will need to get. And every one of us in the team got the same system. It's like a copy thing. And once someone asks you for information, you will send them your website. You will send them that funnel. And once they click this, I'm sure that's the same one that you went through when you were signing up with me. And you click on get access. And once you get to that video, just click, since you already signed up already, you don't have to waste your time watching the videos again. Just go back to, just click continue until you reach to that last page. That's the same process that everybody that you speak to will go to, and everybody that sign up with you, that's the same system that they will get. It's like a system of duplication. Everybody will follow the same system because that's a system that's been proven to work, so you don't have to reinvent the wheel and get started with your own thing. So we have everything set up for you. You just have to copy it and get it rolling. Since you already click on this when you were signing, join Myecon, and you will click on activate your income shifting system. That's the system we use. You're gonna have to activate it yourself as well to be able to start using it. I'm trying to go as fast as possible. I'm so sorry. And if you feel I went too fast, you need some more information, feel free to ask me. I wouldn't mind to go with you again, like, so we can see exactly how we can get this rolling. And the first thing, like I told you at the beginning, you need to upload your legal documents, sign the agreement, get your direct deposit set up, and, like, I don't know if you sign up with me, and I'm sure I did tell you. If not, when you sign up with us, we actually reward you for taking action and get started with us. We give you a free vacation to one of our 13 locations. All you're gonna have to pay for is maybe the resort fee and the sales tax, or maybe like a couple dollars, like maybe maximum $100 to $200, depending on the location. We have a lot of location. Once you join the group, you redeem your vacation, and that's the system I've been telling you about. You get a copy of the system, put your business on autopilot. The system is called Build-A-Wall. You get the 30-day trial, and then that's when you're going to be able to duplicate the system. And once you get the 30-day trial, you sign up forward. You'll come back here and say copy the system. Once you copy the system, we have a step-by-step in it that will show you exactly how to set it up while in Build-A-Wall. If you don't get Build-A-Wall, you won't be able to do this step. And if you feel like you need help as well setting it up, feel free to message me so you don't do anything wrong. Because if you don't do it the right way, because that's the reason the system is set up with the main person that did it. So once you get Build-A-Wall and then you sign up for it, once you copy the system, everything is still linked to him. So if you make a sale, those sales will go to him. That's why you have to go and edit everything in the back office to make sure everything go through you. Put your username and link, replace it with the name that was already there, so you can get your sales. Once you get your system set up, you get your website, you get your domain, and then that's when you're ready to roll. And then you get your training. That's when you're gonna get on Facebook or Instagram, wherever you're more comfortable in, and start promoting and start getting some sales. Because our goal is to get you started and start making money right away, and get you at least get promoted to executive vice president as soon as possible, so you can get access to more money in a short matter of time. On this note, I hope that was very detailed. If you feel like you still need help get started, feel free to message me and I will help you out. Don't try to do everything on your own, and I hope to see you nowhere but the top. Have a good day.